In human services, our students are person-centered. So we see the person as a whole, and we try to really get to the root cause of issues and fix that root cause, so then some of those symptoms like homelessness and substance abuse are then addressed as well. We can provide hands-on experiences for students across all of our programs. We just have to think outside the box a little bit. So although Human Services might not be a program that's typically looked at as being hands-on like a technical program might, what we do at IvyTech is build skills, and real-life practice of those skills is so important for all students. And so having experienced myself facilitating groups, it was kind of a natural flow to reach out to Community Corrections and say, hey, I have some students that will provide some evidence-based services to your clients for free, right? And they jumped on the opportunity, and it's been a really great partnership. The idea came from being in the classroom with students and hearing the questions that they had. Students were very engaged in the process, and they had questions like, well, you know, what happens if a client gets upset with you, or what happens if a client doesn't want to participate? I think the experience allows students to really get an understanding of what the field is like. For me personally, in my undergrad, I had an internship that I did, and I realized what I thought I had always wanted to do was not what I wanted to do. It wasn't as I understood it. And so that's always been in the back of my mind, and so I think it's important to get students out in the field, get them real life experiences, and let them feel out what exactly they want to do. And then once they find that niche, they just grow professionally. They become more confident, they stand taller, they walk a little bit prouder, their critical thinking skills get stronger, their problem solving skills get stronger, and we just see them really grow professionally in the field. After I worked with Community Corrections our first semester and we did group facilitation, I then reached out to our Recovery Café here in Muncie, and I asked them if they would be willing to allow my students to come and interview their clients for my interviewing class. And so the very next semester we actually started that partnership as well. So they go to Recovery Café and they actually do a biopsychosocial assessment of a client. I have agencies that have told me, anytime you want to come do anything with our clients, you know, please come over. We pride ourselves at IvyTech on helping our communities, and so whatever we can do to help you, that's what we're here for. Please don't ever hesitate to reach out and throw an idea out there, and let's figure it out.